how to log in to Discover Credit Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Discover Credit Card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your Discover Credit Card account, all you have to do is just go to discover.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you're here on this page, click the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your user ID and the password for your credit card Discover account. And to ensure that credit card is selected, click on the drop down menu and make sure to select credit card if you are trying to log into credit card account, which we are also trying to do in this video. If you're trying to log into bank account, you can do that, but we want to log into credit card, so we'll select that option and then click the login button. If your details are successfully correct, you'll be able to log in without any hassles. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can click on forgot user ID or password option over here in order to go ahead and then basically reset your password accordingly. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically log into Discover Credit Card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.